I wanted to get this on video. What?
How long does it stay?
3 hours.
3 hours.
3 hours of video. 3 megabytes or something like that in there. Here we go. 7:30, the tournament starts.
Well, what do the ladies think whenever they say, hey, why don't you take your glasses off? You're like, no, I can't take my glasses off.
Hey, don't give away my secret.
You're wearing those glasses, it's no secret.
It's no secret, but you can't really, you wouldn't have known it if I wouldn't have told you. You saw the lights in them.
I knew something was up.
I knew you're a little tech head anyway. Yeah. It's windy today. Oh, you can feel the adrenaline. 7:30, the siren goes off. All madness breaks loose. May the best fisherman win.
That's always true, because I won one. I'm not the best fisherman.
You were a good fisherman. Yeah, you were. You won. Good luck, fellas. We'll see you on the flip-flop. I don't know if that's reverse or if the wind's blowing them backwards. It's windy out here today. Didn't expect us. 20-mile-an-hour winds in a fishing tournament. Here we go. There's Jason, Josh, Mark, and Nathan. The blue boat team. All right, Captain. Time is growing near. You're gonna unleash us, okay?
Good luck, guys.
You too, fellas. See you on the flip-flop. We're live, but we've been live. Where's the siren at? Where's the siren? There we go. We're live. And they're off. Look at them go. uh,
The wind's on.
racing to the fishing spots.
Alright, we can go back to bed now.
Yeah. You warm her up, Captain? You see, Harlan and I, we don't have to take off right away. You know, the best can always stay behind.